At GoodX Software, we understand the importance of quick and efficient solutions to the challenges you face in your practice. This is why we have developed a dedicated user-friendly support platform, putting the power directly into your hands. There is no longer need to be stuck on phone calls, just to be placed on hold or wait endlessly for updates. Introducing the GoodX Client Portal. From seamless ticket creation to real-time status tracking, made with the intent to provide you with a hassle-free, transparent support experience. Registered users have the convenience of accessing their support tickets anywhere and at any time. Effortlessly manage tickets across various installs, ensuring seamless support for your practice or bureau. Positive client experiences are our top priority, and keeping us informed on your level of satisfaction with our service guarantees that we maintain a high standard of care. Streamline communication and get instant access to our dedicated support team by registering for the GoodX Client Portal today.